Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this cordless electric nail drill. This has the 9-piece nail drill bits for acrylic and gel nails. Alright, so right here we have our nail drill. This is offered in 2 colors. This is the rose gold, and they also offer it in purple. So this is a high-speed, low noise. It's got low heat, low compensation, low vibration, and it's got a portable design. It is super lightweight. So let's go ahead and dive into the box and see what we get in here. So you can customize your nail care with just this little nail grit. So first off, you can see the nail gun, and on the bottom you have your accessories. Here is the user guide. This just tells you all about the bits that they come with. So you have a ceramic bit, a large barrel, small barrel, safety bit, you got a cone, a needle head, you have a sanding band, coarse disc bit, and a felted wool bit. So the ceramic bit removes and scraping acrylic nails, the large barrel surface working and shortening, and this one right here is the ceramic bit. This removes and helps shapes the acrylic nails. Here is the Type-C charging cable. So this will help you charge up your drill bit, and then right here comes included with the coarse disc and then the felted wood bit. So here are all your bits. So it comes in a nice little container that is packaged really nice, so you don't have to worry about it falling out. So these are great to use when you're doing acrylic nails or gel nails. So the battery of this grinder, it works up to 4 hours wirelessly, continuously, and wired. You can use this when it's wired. So here are all the other bits. So this one is the large barrel. And then you can put it into this right here to make it a little bit more coarse, to get off all the top portion of your nails. So now let's get into the drill itself. Like I said, this works with 4 hours of continuously use. You can also use this while it is charging. This does have a high speed max of 20,000 RPMs, 3 speeds, dual rotation, cordless and operational. As you can tell, it's not super loud. It is actually nice and quiet. So we're going to put the drill inside here. So this low 6,000 RPMs to polish the nails, 12,000 RPMs surface work and shortening, and then the 20,000 RPMs helps remove those calluses from the back of your heels. So now I'm going to use just this one right here to take off the top part of my nails. This is very lightweight, nice. It is at the comfort of your own home. You don't need to go to the salon. And then right here is the charging port, so we're going to go ahead and turn it on. So in order to turn it on, you got the power button at the top. You just got to push it and hold it down, and it should start rotating. And then you got your speeds on here. You got your plus and your minus. You can see that here is the coarse. I'm just going to go ahead and take off the top layer of my nails. I just went around my cuticles to remove the excess cuticles. Right up in here. So you have different bits. This actually helps to remove the top layers and to get into there with your acrylics or your gel nails. You can continuously use this for up to 4 hours. It does have a 2-way rotation, clockwise, counterclockwise. You can adjust the speed from 0 to 20,000 RPMs. It's got low heat and low noise. It's got a protective cap for nail dust. It's compact, lightweight, and handily designed. You can take this anywhere you go. It is suitable for all beginners and professionals. So if you do nails professionally, this can actually be used. The great thing about this, it is portable, and it does last 4 hours at a time. So in between clients, you can actually charge this up as well as use it while it's actually charging. So if you're looking for a nice nail grinder, I would definitely say check this one out. This one has all the bits, everything that you need to start going on your nails.